This is how to put the rainfly onto the Tahi Nui bag by RPM discs. On the back in the pouch there is a rainfly. So just fold it out and get the logo into the right spot so you know where the front of the rainfly is. There's two holes. There's a smaller hole, which is where your strap comes through. There's a larger hole, which is the actual front of the bag. And that's the logo up the correct way. So you want to actually put the bag in, you want to put the bag through the larger hole. And you start at the bottom and work your way up. So once I get the bottom bit in, you just want to work the corners into it. So it actually covers the entire bottom of the bag. And then you can just pop the top over like that. Straighten it out. The flap goes over the top. Got a couple of clips here with little loops to hook it on. You might want to keep one shut and one open so you can just easily open up, grab a disc, and cover it again. On the back, there's a little clip. Feed it through that loop there, and just clip it up at the bottom. And then that'll just stop the that'll stop it from popping off the top. That's it. Easy as that.